Good morning, first grade. How are you? Today is lesson 138 for Saxon Phonics, and we have reviewed digraphs, combinations, affixes, diphthongs, and final stable syllables. Today we are going to review trigraphs. So first, what is a trigraph? A trigraph is three letters that come together to make one sound. Say that with me. A trigraph is three letters that come together to make one sound. What makes a trigraph different from a digraph? A trigraph has three letters. A digraph only has two letters. So we know three trigraphs right now. We know trigraph IGH says I, like light, I. We know trigraph TCH says ch, like patch, ch. And trigraph DGE says j, like bridge. So three trigraphs that we know. Can you think of another word that has each of those trigraphs? For IGH, we had light. Can you think of a word that rhymes with light? Maybe something to describe the light. The light is bright. Let's write bright. What about for trigraph TCH? Can you think of a word that would have TCH? Our picture card had patch. What if I just changed the vowel sound? Something that you might do in baseball or softball is pitch, pitch. And trigraph DGE. Our picture card had bridge. What might you wear on a uniform? I often think of police when I hear this word. Badge. Let's write that. Now, how do we code trigraphs? We code them just like digraphs. We underline them. Very good. So let's underline IGH, TCH, and DGE. Okay, I'm also going to underline them in our words. Very good. All right, so TCH and DGE are both regular for spelling, and they're usually at the final position, right? The IGH is usually in the middle, in the medial position, okay? Let's go through and code the rest of these trigraphs, okay? So IGH, that says I. So we need a macron above the I. The G and H are silent, so we cross them out. Bright, bright. I'm gonna go ahead and do that over here too. Okay. This word has trigraph TCH. It says ch. What letter is silent? The T, cross it out. This I is closed in, so it will get a brief itch, pitch. And for trigraph DGE, this one is a tricky one. We actually want it to say j. So the D and E are silent. G usually says g. How do we make it say j? We put a dot above it. This is soft G. See, now it kind of looks like a J. You can see a hidden J here. J. The A is closed in, so we'll put a brief badge. Badge. Very good. So trigraphs were today's lesson. Now you will join me on the worksheet and we will practice spelling, reading, and coding trigraphs. Great job today.